Hey all, welcome back to the Utah Airguns Workshop channel. This is Rob, and today we have a quick tip for you on your FX, Dynamic, or Panthera. Now sometimes you say you're degassed the gun, you're going ahead, to adjust the regulators down to reset and retune your rifle, and now when you're putting the bottle back on, you're finding that air is leaking out the barrel through the valve. There's a couple reasons this can happen, but the main thing that happens is that due to the heavy hammers on these guns, you can actually press the valve pin forward and it'll stick with that heavy hammer. So the first thing you want to do, go ahead and take the air back off of it. You're going to cock the rifle back, and if that doesn't work, usually taking that tension off of the valve will do so. It'll let everything seal up, but if it doesn't, we're going to come up to the front of your gun. Now this is the VP model, so we have great access here, and there's a small black piece here that sticks out of the face of the block, and inside of that is a hole with a silver pin. Now if that valve pin is stuck forward, you'll actually see it poking out the front here, and it'll be fairly exposed. What you're going to do is just with like this 2.5mm Allen or another not sharp flat tool, it could be a small punch, we're going to just manually push that valve pin back into place. Now if pressing this valve pin back into place does not seal your gun, more than likely what has happened is the sealing washer that is pressed onto the pin has been shifted by the hammer. So we're going to go ahead and have to send that gun in for repair. Contact us at utahairguns.com. We'll get that set up for you and get that in and fixed and back to you as quickly as possible. For more quick tips and tricks, as well as more technical in-depth tutorials, feel free to check us out on our Utah Airguns Workshop channel. Also subscribe. And if you just want to check out some awesome hunting videos and fun around the shop, check us out on our main channel, Utah Airguns.